let us continue our worship with passing of the peace. May the peace of Christ be with you. And during the pandemic time, we learned that there are all kinds of ways to greet each other. It doesn't have to just be a handshake. So do whatever is comfortable for you, but just turn and share peace with your neighbor. It's good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Hello, peace of Christ. Peace of Christ. Okay. Okay. Peace be with you. And all right, I got a few, representative of everyone. Let us continue our worship with the anthem, When I Survey the Wondrous Cross, First Church Choir, and our guest musician, John. Please stand for the call to worship. Everyone who thirsts, come to the waters. Why do you spend your money for that which is not bread and your labor for that which does not satisfy? Al Ringen, our moderator, will lead us in the gathering prayer. In a place of so much wealth, why is there so much need? In a land that affords every available comfort, why do we find ourselves uncomfortable, discouraged, depressed? What is this food you spoke of through your prophets? Where is this promised land of milk and honey our ancestors sought? Open our hearts to the only true satisfaction our hearts will ever know, your boundless love. Amen. Let's be seated.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to Moments from the Cloud. We've heard it so many times before. Love your enemies. It's at the core of what Jesus taught us, and it seems like such a simple rule. But as with so many of the things Jesus teaches, putting those words in decency and kindness that they might not reciprocate, all while maintaining boundaries you've placed in an act of self-love and protection. Is it tough? Absolutely. But with God at our side, it's possible. Amen.
Two verses of All Are Welcome, number 550.